ngayon sa Sultan. Ilang beses na kami nag-a-attempt and finally we're here to try it.
Itong mahabang lakaran na to along Defense Road. Punong-puno to ng restaurants. Pag dumadaan kami dito, lagi namin nakikita tong Al Sultan na sobrang laging fully packed yung mga kumakain. So nagwa-wonder kami kung, you know, we just want to try it. And alam namin na this is gonna be good. This is Arabic, mostly ano sila, mga meat, kebabs, lamb chops, yung mga ganyan. So ngayon, itatry namin yung mga Arabic food na to. Are you excited? We are excited.
We're excited. Okay, let's start to order. This one. Thank you. There you go. So, hindi namin alam. Puro palang mutton dito.
At saka chicken.
And chicken, di pa man din ako masyadong kumakain ng mutton. But let's see kung ayos yung lasa niya. Baka okay naman, di naman siya yung... Ano yun yung may lasa na something?
Parang
Maangus. Maanggo ang lasa. Pero before that, meron silang pinamimigay na dates. Kasi today it's Ramadan. And sabi dito na bago ka daw kumain, kailangan kumain ka muna ng dates. So here we go. Tigisa kami. One for me and one for Jerson.
So, try natin tong dates. Ramadan ngayon, kaya kailangan daw i-break mo muna yung fast mo by dates. Although hindi naman kami nagpa-fast, pero nag-intermittent fasting naman kami. It's really good.
Yes. So here's our bread, appetizers.
What's this?
Wow.
Tabol?
Thank you.
Grabe. See the bread? This is fresh from the oven. It's so hot. It's so good. So this is a hummus. Hummus. This is a mutabol. This is eggplant. I think this is a tomato with some spices on it. I don't know. This is a garlic paste and some pickles, lemon and onions.
Napakainit. Tignan nyo, musok pa. Ang bread nila galing sa pugon. Fresh from their oven. I can recommend you this place. Restaurant and Grill Al Sultan. It's along Hazza bin Zayed, the first street here in Abu Dhabi. They call it Defense Road as well. Perfect.
Okay, I want to try the appetizer.
Init pa yan.
Bread fresh from the pugon. It's still hot. So this is the hummus. Hummus is made of chickpea with tahini and some olive oil. So let's see. Oh my god. This is an authentic Arabic hummus.
No, I want to try this. Try the mutabol.
I'll try the mutabol. I think this is made from eggplant, right?
Yep. It's eggplant with yogurt
With yogurt, yeah.
and some
Yeah,
Arabic
it's
spices.
so rich. I like it.
So here's our shish tawok. This is chicken with some Arabic spices marinade. So ang dami naming order, wala tayong spoon and fork. Kailangan maghingi ako, ano ba dito, kamayan?
Kamayan yata dito eh. Pero
Are you
yeah,
sure?
let's ask
Sige.
for a spoon and fork.
Try ko muna tong isang chicken. And then hummus.
Ang laki yung mata mo ah.
Ang sarap. The meat is so tender. The spices, the taste. It's amazing.
Shish is chicken, right?
Fish is chicken.
Shish is chicken. So let's see. So smoky taste, the barbecue. So tender, perfect grilled.
It's delicious. Malalasahan mo yung mixture ng spices na Arabic, na may kamatis, na may onion, garlic,
I think may yogurt din eh.
and that paprika. It's really good.
Ito dumating na ano to, hindi ko alam anong pangalan
That's
nito.
the manakish.
Manakish. Para siyang pizza ng Arabic. So ano siya, meron siyang ground lamb. Tapos anong tawag dito? Manakish.
Normally yung tawag nila dyan, manakish.
So let's try it. I think it has olive oil, that's why it's a little bit oily.
Ang sarap, no?
I like this so much. This is one of my favorite now. Grabe ka sarap.
The best.
And this one is the
Mix.
mixed grill. That's kebab with some grilled mutton. As you can see.
So, lalagyan ko muna to ng lemon. Yan, para mas masarap. Actually, napansin namin yung mga kumakain dito, hindi talaga sila gumagamit ng kutsara at tinidor. So, talagang kamayan.
So basically this is the mixed grill. You'll see there's a kebab and there's a lamb here. So I'll try this lamb with hummus. The lamb is so soft and tender. Babalik-balikan ko to.
Ito,
Kebab.
kebab. See, it's so juicy. Try it with hummus. Sarap ng pagka-marinate, yung Arabic spices, yung kebab, the best.
Kebab is one of my favorite foods. The burst of flavor of all the spices. Sabayan mo pa ng pickles. Perfect. That's why Arabic food, meron silang mixture or fusion with Mediterranean food. So if you're gonna observe, yung Turkey, yung mga Mediterranean area, Greece, Arabic, so makikita nyo almost parang may fusion sila. Iba-ibang spices lang, iba-ibang types of pagluluto, pero mostly like this, kebabs, you know, all these kinds of menus and cuisines.
This is our arugula salad. This is tabule.
So ito na, dumating na yung salad namin. So this is a tabule. This have parsley, tomatoes,
Onions.
onions, and I don't know yung mga white. Ano yung mga white?
I'm not sure. So napaka-affordable din dito. Isang plate nito is around 34 dirhams, which is, let's say,
$9?
$8, $8.5. Same thing with shish tawuk. This is chicken. This is 34 dirhams. The mixed grill is 34 dirhams. And lahat ng to, including this, yung mga appetizers nila na binibigay, these are complimentary. So meron ka ng hummus and mutabol and a lot of stuffs here, vegetables, meron kang pickles. Yan. Napakasarap ng mga pickles na to. It's like at least around 130 dirhams. That's around how much? $40. And it's so much. Ang dami nito, hindi namin maubos to. Ngayon pa lang medyo busog na ako. Sa appetizers pa lang, medyo busog na ako. Now I'm gonna try this. Actually, sobrang sarap nito. You guys have to try this when you visit here. Sobrang sarap niya. Pero imimix ko siya with ginger. Ready? And go. See the juiciness? It's dripping. Look at that. Sobrang juicy. Sobrang tasty. Ang sarap. Perfect. Medyo crunchy siya dito sa dulo.
Yeah. This is so good. With the salad,
It's perfect.
this is one of my favorite now.
Now I will make my own shawarma. Kebab shawarma. So this is the bread. I get this.
Lagyan mo tabol.
So this is my shawarma. Look at that.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum. Oh. The combination is perfect. It's amazing. The taste is different with the arugula and all this paste and the tenderness of the kebab. It's so juicy. You'll feel it from your tongue. So good. Bon appetit. So this is the aftermath. Meron pa kaming leftover.
Sinabi pinagpawisan na ako kasi maanghang. Itong parang chili paste with tomato. Pinagpawisan na ako, tinanggal ko na yung sombrero ko. So ngayon, busog na kami. Sobrang dami pang leftover na salad, na itong pizza nila, manakish. Ito, tsaka chicken. Ay, grabe. I'm so full. I'm so full. And it's really good. This is succulent, delicious, and highly recommended.
So here's our bill. It's 126 dirhams. That's about $35. Imagine that. Alam nyo, sa Amerika, pag kumain kami ng ganito, isang order lang is $20. Like isang plate no mixed grill. That is about $21. Meron kami kinakainan na ganito sa States. It's an Arabic restaurant as well. Nag-order kami ng mga ganyan, yung mga shish tawuk. Like for example, yung shish tawuk kanina na chicken, that is around $18. Tapos yung mixed grill, that is around $21. But here, all in all, it's $35. Plus, meron pa kaming leftover na take home. So, this place you have to try. Definitely must try.
Chef.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, say hi.
30 years.
30 year?
Oh.
Wala.
This one.
Bro. Congratulations. You watch the video, okay? In Facebook.
This one. This one.
Arbab?
Ada Arbab.
Hi, Arbab. Good, thank you. Yeah, sige.
This one.
This one.
Kubus, fresh. Kubus.
Let's go, boss. Where?
This one kubus fresh. Ahmad.
Babos?
Ahmad. Soy tertib kubus. Soy video.
Babos?
Hadi tertib soy. Soy tertib. Arba kubus tertib. Hey, habibi.